Hi, this is Nick from bottle-lamp.com, and today I'm going to attempt to, using the creator's over-the-top bottle cutter, attempt to cut a square bottle. I had no longer done a review for it, and one of the first questions that was asked is, can it cut a square bottle? So I have a Jim Beam bottle here, and I've been trying to configure it to set it up on here. I've tried laying it down and rotating with the blade on the edge, but with the corners, if you follow it, it doesn't stay straight. It wants to slide all over. So the best, I don't know if this is gonna work, so bear with me. What I found is if I can hold this straight and run my bottle around, it'll be a nice even score all the way around without the moving around as opposed to it laying down. So I'm going to be both holding, this would be nice if this part right here could stay stationary, then it'd be just me pushing the bottle up against it. But I gotta hold this too and push the bottle against it so I can get my score line. Again, I haven't actually tried this, I've just gone through the motions, so this will be the first time that I've actually tried this, so we're gonna see if it works. I'll take it inside, do the separation, and show you the end result. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of parts that come with this. I have the handles and the stopper, but none of that is really going to come into play for cutting this square bottle. So let's just do it. If it doesn't work, it's not like it's the first bottle I've screwed up. So okay, I'm going to start on the back side so I know I'm all the way around. On the head, you'll notice that it's angled, so it'll work best if I'm pushing it into it this way. All right, here we go. Hold on a second. There we go. That wasn't that bad. It went really well. I thought I'd be sliding all over, but that was just me holding this thing. I kept my, I rested my elbow here to keep it in the same spot, but I even got both ends of the line to touch, and that's a nice score line. Well, I'm gonna go separate it. We'll see what we got, but I felt like I was just kind of freewheeling it here. I mean, it was just me holding this thing in a perpendicular position and turning the bottle. So I wasn't really pressing that hard here either. I don't know if the video will be able to pick up the sound of me actually doing the score, but it's a nice score line, and let's see if this works. All right, we're back. I did the glass separation, and this is what the final result was. Overall, not too bad. There's a couple divots here that I'll have to sand down, but overall, I mean, that's minor compared to the rest of it, which looks perfect. So again, this is repairable. This is something I can use, and I don't know, candle holder, whatever. But yeah, I'm happy with this. And the way that I did it, by simply holding it freehand like this, makes it really simple. I mean, all I'm using out of the whole cutter here is the two goalpost stands and the cutter itself. So the ultimate question is now answered. Can you cut a square bottle using the over-the-top bottle cutter? The answer is yes. With a little light sanding, I'll be able to have this in a working order and something that can be used for a pen holder. That's all I have for today. Thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our website at www.bottle-lamp.com, and we're on Facebook as well. Thank you.